Restaurants were already hit hard by the pandemic. Now the recent surge of the Delta variant is once again prompting fewer people to dine out. Joining us now to talk about this is the president of the Illinois Restaurant Association, Sam Toia. Sam, thanks for joining us again. Things are a little bit better.
Thanks for having me, Mika.
Well, we talked to you last year, and it was very bleak as far as restaurants were concerned. Things have gotten a little bit better, but now the Delta variant swoops in and changes things all around. Mask mandates all around in Illinois. So what does that do for your restaurants now?
Well, the mask mandate, it's a measured approach. So restaurants are still able to stay open and safely serve customers throughout Illinois. So that's very important. It would be devastating to go back to capacity restrictions. That would be the death to the hospitality restaurant industry here in the state of Illinois and the city of Chicago.
How have people changed their habits when it comes to restaurants? We know they weren't going out at all and they were ordering in. Now things are even changing again.
Yes. So, at the beginning of summer, everyone thought this was the free summer. We were back to the roaring 20s. Everything was great. People were eating out. It was really good. But then we saw the Delta variants come back and COVID come back. And it's not good. And a lot of people what I heard over the past weekend, where a lot of restaurants were having canceled reservations because people were, a little scared to go into the restaurants. That's why I said doing the mask. It's a measured approach, but we're able to stay open and safely serve our customer throughout Illinois. Again, we don't want to go back to capacity restrictions. So that's why we ask all your viewers, if they haven't gotten the vaccine, please go get the vaccine. This is the one way we can fight this pandemic.
Fall's just a couple of months away, then winter, which means outdoor dining has to go indoor. So that's a little scary for you too, I'm sure.
It is. I mean, we went through this last year, and it looks like we're going to go through it again this year. That's why, again, I ask all your viewers, if you haven't got the vaccine, please get the vaccine and mask up. Covered faces keep open places. So we need you to make sure you're masking up when you go into your favorite local restaurants through our 77 communities here in the city of Chicago, because it will be devastating to go back to capacity restrictions.
Sam, a lot of restaurants have hiring signs up, help wanted. Is that because of the pandemic? People aren't wanting to work in the restaurant business anymore? And how can you change that?
That's a tough question to answer, Amika, but, it's a lot of things. Obviously, we saw that a lot of team members left the industry when we were shut down to go work in other industries like distribution centers, delivery service, the cannabis industry. There was issues that we were even facing before the pandemic, like we need childcare support for hospitality workers. Yeah, that's why we're glad to hear that the Biden administration is trying to address that, because we definitely need, support for people that work in the hospitality industry to have their children go to childcare. That's very important. A lot of people said the enhanced unemployment benefits, that really wasn't it. Again, it's people left for other industries. People, childcare issues were an issue. And also, that's why we definitely need to work on working visas for hospitality workers, like they have working visas for farm workers. We need that. We need immigration reform. Immigrants have always been the backbone of the hospitality industry here in the city of Chicago, from the Eastern Europeans to the Italians to the Greeks to the Asians to the Africans to the Latinos to the Mexicans. So we really want to work on visas for hospitality workers. We've talked with Senator Duckworth. She's all on board. We just need to get some more senators throughout the country to get on board. We've talked with people in the Biden administration, and they like the idea as well.
Have some restaurants been able to reopen after the mask mandate and things like that, or a lot of them are just gone?
The National Restaurant Association predicted that when this is all said and done, about 20% of our restaurants could be lost here in the city of Chicago and throughout the state of Illinois. We began with over 25,000 restaurants here in the state of Illinois before the pandemic. If we lose 25%, that would be 5,000 restaurants. And, we had close to 600,000 people working in the restaurant food service industry here in Illinois, the largest private sector employer. We lose 20%, it's 120,000 jobs. So it's been really hard on the restaurant hospitality industry here in the city of Chicago, really throughout the country. But especially, like I said, in Illinois, it's been tough, just like it has been in California and New York as well.
Well, Sam, let's hope it rebounds soon. Thank you so much. Be safe, be well.
Support your local restaurants. If you don't want to go in, do curbside pickup.
For sure. Thank you, sir.